Okie dokie, real simple for the focus group. Going to start with Apple. Apple has earnings this week on Monday. So we can try to sit and debate and guess which way it'll go. And I'm going to tell you, it doesn't matter which way it'll go to me right now. I want to see the earnings report, and I don't care if it gaps up because you are the premiums are quite hefty right now. Not even worth me trading for the earnings. But even on a gap up, if the earnings are good and it replicates the move we've seen the last few earnings, we'll probably see it swing up to this 150.33 target area. And if the earnings are really bad, like back when it kind of made the same type of move here that it's made here, well, we could see a longer downturn that might even take several months to get down into that 87, 89 area. But one thing is really, really simple for us. We need to wait until the earnings come out Monday after hours and probably wait until about Wednesday to look at entering a trade in it. I'm going to go over real quick to Goldman Sachs because I do think there is some potential. You know, it was weird last earnings, all the financial stocks kind of sucked it up on earnings and they made big runs. Then they just had good quarters, but we saw them kind of fall from it. If we were to continue downwards, we might even see Goldman Sachs make what would still be a higher low at 177.07. And that's something that really, really interests me for maybe a June options play. Now, going over to the daily chart on Goldman Sachs, I want to look at the other side of that. You know, since it had its earnings and it dropped down, it's basically consolidated. I kind of just want to see it get up and close the day above 199.31, where it closed this green day here. And that could actually give the potential to swing higher up to 213.50. So it's actually quite possible, believe it or not, that at some time during the week I enter both of those trades listed for GS on the focus group spreadsheet. I've even debated maybe taking them both on Monday because the risk to reward's pretty good for just a little strangle trade with plenty of time for it to do either what I outlined on the weekly chart or what I'm just now showing on the daily chart. So it's actually quite appealing, believe it or not, to maybe look at both sides of this. So I'll be definitely making that decision by tomorrow for myself, but just a couple trades that I wanted to put out there and have you look at.